flaps on.
Wow, you can see like all
Here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, JetBlue Airways welcome you to San Juan. The local time is 2:15. Please keep your seatbelt fastened and carry-on items stowed until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Be careful when opening your overhead bins as items tend to move during flight. Your checked baggage may be cleaned with the carousel. Just follow the signs to baggage clean. If you have a backside receipt that says clean at gate, you may clean those items outside the front aircraft door. For those customers needing special assistance to cleaning, please remain comfortably seated once we arrive so we may better assist you. At this time, you're welcome to use your cell phone if it's readily accessible. If you're connecting to another JetBlue flight and would like to check on its status, you can visit jetblue.com from your mobile device. Also, if you're connecting to another JetBlue flight, we're going to ask that you please deplane first. We're going to ask all other customers who are not continuing to St. Martin, St. Croix, St. Thomas, Dominican Republic, to please remain seated. If you do not have an inter-island connection, we're going to ask you to please remain seated just for 2 minutes while the other customers connecting make their way off the aircraft. It shouldn't hold you up too long. You'll probably be up here before the doors open anyway. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue Airways, thank you for flying with us. We hope to see you again soon. Damas y caballeros, JetBlue Airways les da la bienvenida a San Juan, Puerto Rico. La hora local son las 2:15 minutos. Por favor de mantenerse sentados con sus cinturones abrochados hasta que el capitán apague la señal. Tengan cuidado al abrir los compartimientos, ya que los objetos guardados en ellos tienen tendencia a moverse durante el vuelo. Si este es su destino final, pueden recoger su equipaje en el carrusel. Si tienen una conexión con otro vuelo y quieren verificar el estado, pueden visitar jetblue.com desde su teléfono móvil. Le vamos a pedir a todos los pasajeros que tienen conexión con JetBlue que desembarquen primero. Le vamos a pedir a los otros pasajeros que su destino final sea San Juan aquí, que se quedan aquí, por favor permanezcan sentados para que los otros pasajeros puedan hacer sus conexiones. Otra vez les vamos a pedir a los pasajeros que se queden aquí en San Juan, que permanezcan sentados por 2 minutos mientras los otros pasajeros con conexiones desembarquen primero. Agradecemos su cooperación. En el nombre de toda la tripulación aquí en JetBlue Airways, les damos la gracia por viajar con nosotros hoy. Esperamos verlo pronto.
está lloviendo ahí en inundaciones. Aquí en San Juan dice mismo.
can see the new terminal, JetBlue's new terminal in SJU. Got the New York Jets plane right there, as well as Embraer E190 right there.
I'm ready to go.
This was that was talking about.
In-flight crew, please prepare for arrival. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated.
Yeah, alright.
Those customers continuing, please disengage.